at this thing on the tracks. It's awesome. Right over it. Yeah. Snow cleanup out here at the Bangor Airport once again. Another snowstorm last night. Fire department way down there. And we have the 101st coming in with a KC-135. Yeah, look at that tree. Try not to have favorites, but that one is mine. $101st Special edition.